Welcome to Crypto with Rishi, YouTube channel, your passport to the world of cryptocurrency. I'm Rishi, and I'm thrilled to have you here. If you're new to the channel, this is the perfect place to start. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being part of our crypto community. Whether you're a newbie looking to dip your toes into the crypto waters or a seasoned pro seeking in-depth insights, this channel is your go-to destination. But why should you subscribe? We break down the complex world of cryptocurrencies into bite-sized, easy-to-understand pieces. Curious about what Bitcoin actually is? Or how to invest safely? Or even understanding the technology behind blockchain? We've got you covered. Our channel is packed with comprehensive tutorials, market analyses, security tips, and news updates that will keep you ahead of the game. It's not just about investing. It's about educating yourself for a smarter, safer, and more informed crypto journey. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an update. Join us on Crypto with Rishi, YouTube channel, your source for cryptocurrency knowledge, insights, and opportunities. Together, we'll navigate the digital frontier and unlock the endless possibilities of blockchain technology. Thanks for being here. We can't wait to explore the crypto universe with you. Subscribe now, and let's embark on this amazing journey together. See you in the next video.